If you want to track your business performance visually, building dashboards in Salesforce is one of the most powerful features you can use. In this beginner-friendly guide, you will learn how to create and customize dashboards step by step, even if you have zero experience. Dashboards in Salesforce help you turn raw data into charts and visual insights so you can make better decisions quickly. To get started, first log into your Salesforce account and go to the Dashboards tab. If you do not see it, click on the App Launcher and search for Dashboards. Once you are there, click on the New Dashboard button and give your dashboard a clear and relevant name based on what you want to track, such as sales, performance, or team productivity. After naming it, click Create to open the dashboard editor. Now you need to add components to your dashboard. Components are visual elements like charts, graphs, or tables that display your data. Click on Add Component, then choose a report as your data source. Salesforce dashboards are built on reports, so make sure you have reports already created for the data you want to visualize. After selecting a report, choose how you want to display it, such as a bar chart, pie chart, line chart, or metric. Next, customize each component by adjusting settings like titles, labels, and filters. You can also resize and rearrange components by dragging them around the dashboard editor to create a clean and organized layout. This helps you focus on the most important data at a glance. You can further enhance your dashboard by adding filters. Filters allow you to view specific data, such as results for a particular time period or team member, without creating multiple dashboards. This makes your dashboard more flexible and dynamic. Once everything is set, click Save and then Done. You can also schedule dashboard refreshes so your data stays up to date automatically. This ensures you always have the latest insights without manual effort. In short, building dashboards in Salesforce involves creating a dashboard, adding components from reports, customizing the layout, and using filters to make your data more useful and interactive. Now that you know the basics, start creating your own dashboards and turn your data into meaningful insights. If you found this helpful, explore more tutorials like this to master Salesforce step by step.